Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Alright.
boys
I
and
got it.
girls, at this time we are proud to present the alphabet from A to Z. Some letters are made of straight lines and some are curvy and round, but every letter makes a sound.
The A says ah. The B says the C says and the D says D. The E says eh. And the F says the G says G.
And the H says
The I says eh.
and the J says J.
The K says and the L says oh 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 oh. The M says and the N says The O says ah 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 ah.
And the P says
The Q says qua. And the R says the S says
Good job.
and the T says
the U says and the B says
the W says what and the X says the Y says yeah
and the C says and those are all the letters in the factory.
Good job, guys.
If you practice, it's not hard to learn your alphabet. Every letter makes a sound.
What you hear is what you get.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Alright, now, everybody learn to listen to the alphabet.